sometimes you want to go out there and you want to do a recording uh, on the street, but you're gonna need, if you just use like some people use a phone or a camera. I can show you my camera right there. uh, and you don't you want to avoid, like if it's an external shot, you want to avoid external sound. Like the exterior provides a lot of noise, and you don't want to. You want to have control of your noise signal, of your sound signal, and of your sound. So that's where this wireless microphone setup comes in. It's perfect. It's beautiful, beautifully made, um, and it comes really nice in this carrying case. Check it out. This is going to protect your microphones, right? Real nice, right? This is the carrying case. So inside here, check it out. Whoa, you have the microphones. You see that? They're in there. This is the receiver that you connect to your phone, right? And these are the microphones. Let me take them out. You see that? Everything in there is protected by this carrying case. Now, let me take one of the microphones out, and I just want to show you how it looks, right? It's really, 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 really well made. It looks really, really nice. And you charge this and you have many hours of use. And it has this magnet, really strong magnet in the back. You see? And you have this magnet, and this, you put this like here. You come here with this right here is the microphone. You see? That little dot right there. Let me see if you can see it. It's so small. Oh, there you go. You see, that is the microphone right there. So you want the microphone pointing up. And you take this magnet, you put it here, and you do that. And you know, it should capture, it will capture the sound really nice. We're going to make a video outside so that you see how nice it captures the sound. And this goes into the phone, right? This is the receiver, right? And this goes in the phone right here, right? You see? There you go. So you have the phone there, and this is the receiver, right? And it's perfect because then the sound is going to be isolated, right? These microphones have a pickup pattern that is around here. So any movement outside is going to get discriminated. It's going to get muted out, and so it's perfect for when you're doing either a play, right, or you're doing recreations or anything that you're doing where you don't want handheld microphones. This is the kind of system that you're going to use. But enough of me talking about it. We're gonna go out there and I'm gonna show you how far the thing goes. So I'm gonna show you how it looks when the microphones are paired. You see? They have, both of them are paired now. They have let me put them in the same orientation so now, you see? And they have some functions where you can mute the microphones. And now when they're connected, both are connected, you're gonna see right there the green light. If I turn one of them off, right? You see? The blue linking light means that there's one of the microphones is not connected. You press it, long press on the right side, that yellow button right there, and now they're both paired and connected. to the camera. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna see how far we can record and have really, really nice audio out of these. So now I'm gonna cross the street to see how far I can go and still get audio, right? Because the purpose of this is to be able to, right, to be able to talk from far and not have to worry about the degradation of audio. Um, right now, there's some, uh, there's a button here to mute, which is that yellow button. So I'm gonna, and now I have the button again, recording. Now I'm gonna cross the street, right, carefully because right in the middle of the street. I'm gonna cross the street to see how far, how the audio quality is, you know, even from far. You see. So then, if you're doing recording of any kind in a place where you might have, a reporter, or you want to do a reenacting or have people acting out things or do pranks, that kind of stuff, this is the kind of microphone that you use, right? So that the camera can be far from the action. So now we're crossing the street, you see? And the audio should have not, even though I was across the street, the audio, I hope, was as good as it is right now that I'm close to the camera. It was far, it's like maybe 25 yards. And if it sounds great, then this is super, super recommended.